We are at Fort Popham at the mouth of the Kennebec River. And I hit the off button by mistake, so we're gonna continue. We're up on the second floor. Beautiful view up here. This is looking down to Popham Beach, which we're going to walk on in a minute. That's an even better picture of it, actually. Part of the beach. And the island further out is Seguin Lighthouse, up on top of the big hill. And this is the end here. And there is a set of stairs, I believe, that go down. Maybe not. No, I guess not. I'll have to go around to the other end again. I'm thinking. Yeah. There's some more of the gun turrets, yeah. Let's see if we can see the beach. Little, there it is. Well, I can't get it to come in clear because no. Okay. Well, I will sign off. And I'm sorry I hit the off button, but I am going to put it in 2 parts unless I can edit it. So this is just Amina. And I am going to say goodbye. And I appreciate your time. I hope you have enjoyed it. It really is an amazing place to come and visit. Plus the beach is beautiful too. Just Amina. Stay calm, stay peaceful, take care of yourself.